2-day workshop. It provided me with lots and lots of information. For me, the key learning was about all the models, which was really, really important. It not only from relationship point of view, but from different aspects also, it made me understand different things about myself, about the core traits and surface traits thing, about the literal and the inferential ones. That information, it made me understand that how people differ from each other, and how relationships work, what are the stages, how they go on, and when there's conflict, how can that be resolved. So it also made me understand that not directly jumping on conclusions, but understanding the process is important. So I really learned a lot from this course. I want to thank ICHARS and ma'am for the same. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Tanishka. Thank you so much. And like to go next? Yes, Mansi.
Yeah, hi everybody. I'm Mansi Desai. I'm a working professional and practicing also. So this was my first program with ICHARS on relationship thing, and it was a fantastic experience. Divya Raksha has been a great coach and faculty for this. The experience and the examples she brought along have been quite enlightening and introspective. So I really found the session very relatable in my personal life, as well as got very good tips to how to practice it with my clients. And I like the suggestibility portion of the model. So that was a new aspect for me. And yeah, so thank you so much, ICHARS and Divya Raksha. It was a great experience. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mansi. Thank you. And would like to go next? Yes, Priyanshi.
So hello everyone, my name is Priyanshi and currently I am pursuing my bachelor's in applied psychology honors from University of Delhi, and I am in my 3rd year. And I signed up for this course on online relationship coaching and couple counseling with ICHARS. And honestly, it has been a great learning experience. Our mentor or coach, Miss Divya Raksha ma'am, was very, very considerate, and the course was very practical and transparent in its approach. I particularly liked 2 main areas. One was the common minimum plan, and the other one was core and surface traits, because like core and surface traits were I personally found this phenomena very interesting, how people tend to show their best side for the first few days or months, and then it eventually boils down to the reality, and people know it. Still, we tend to make our expectations based on the best side, because we want to be our best sides with the people we love, and we like want to receive their best side. And also the common minimum plan is such an interesting and scientific approach to bring people together on a common page. And I am looking forward to apply it in my practice whenever I become qualified, and also in my daily life, to avoid conflicts and attain greater transparency with my friends and family. And thank you, ICHARS and ma'am, for this experience.
Thank you, Priyanshi. So Anu, we're left with you.
Yeah, hi, I'm Anupama Kotiankar. I'm a practicing counselor, and I have also done my anxiety course with ICHARS, and which has helped me in my practice. And I was having cases where people were having relationship issues, and that's why I opted for this course. There were many insights I got in this last 2 days. This workshop is very interactive, is very practical and practice based, where we get a chance to find out things from our own lives and practice on those conflicts or issues that we may have with our peers. So in these 2 days, there were a lot of insights that I got from the workshop, and I'm still processing the newfound knowledge that I have. I always knew that communication is a key in a relationship, but when it is understood with the concept of the 2 types of people that are, and it changes a lot of perspective, and gives a whole new meaning and understanding on a different level. So that has been my key takeaway. I thank you, Divya, for her patience and support in answering and patiently handling us, and taking us through this course. Thank you so much, ICHARS and Divya.
Thank you, Anupama. Thank you so much. So that brings us to the end of this 2-day workshop. It has been amazing knowing all of you as well. And for those of you who are watching us online right now, if you are interested to do any of the courses that we offer, any of the short courses or the flagship program, the diploma course that we offer, please do visit our website, www.ichars.com. That's www.ichars.com. And you can just, get to know of all the courses that we offer. You can speak to our this person who's handling all the queries on these topics, and you can enroll and get to know more about all the programs that we offer. All right. See you soon till we come back with the next set of participants. Take care and Merry Christmas to all of you who are watching us online.